Hi everybody, it's Nancy here. I have some fun things to share with you today. At least I'm thinking it's fun and I'm looking forward to it. I have some products from Crafty Critta that I want to share with you. A while back on my blog and social media, I shared this pretty foil card. This was my first ever toner foiling card, and it's using products from Crafty Critta. I just think this is so pretty. Foiling is so fun, and I had never done this kind before. So I got the toner sheet and the toner foils from Crafty Critta, and I used a really inexpensive laminator that I got on Amazon. It did a lovely job, but there are some things with it that I could not do that I wanted to try. So I went ahead and I purchased the Your Best Mate from Crafty Critta. Now this is their own toner foiling system. It's a special laminator created by them for use with their products. And I haven't used, I just got it out of the box. I took the plastic off so it wouldn't be so noisy for you. It comes with owner's manual. It comes with, I don't want to get too much glare on here for you, but it comes with the transfer folder. This is what you put everything in before running it through. And it comes with a roll of gold foil. This is toner foil created just for the heat. And it comes with a sample pack of toner sheets that I'm very excited to try. There's just a design, a black sheet, a very pretty butterfly, and a happy birthday. And then there's two of each of those in there. And then, because this is a new thing, I also received with this the pre-order pack, the Your Best Mate pre-order pack. So this is the lemongrass toner foil, which is a really, it's very goldy but yellow, more yellow than the, see how the difference is? That looks really pretty. And it also came with the Hearts Pink toner foil, which is very holographic looking with hearts in different shades. So pretty. And then that also included a foil art, 8 sheets, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. This is Sentiments. Sorry for the noise. Smile, hugs, thank you. Sending butterfly kisses, that would work really well with the butterfly. There's a lot of those. How many? Did it say how many there were? 8 sheets. 8 sheets with all of those sentiments on it, so that's a lot of sentiments. And then it came with 6 sheets of the white toner. These are, I think they're 8 by 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, about 6 by 8. So that will be fun to try. And then there's also 8 sheets, summer backgrounds, 2 each of 4 designs. And that is all pretty backgrounds. 2 of each of those 4 designs. And those are toner sheets as well. So what I'm going to do is, it's got a protective plastic on it. I'm going to take that off. I'm going to get set up, and then I'm going to try a little foiling. So I'll be back. Okay, I am back. I'm not ready to do any of the foiling yet because I've just been familiarizing myself with the machine. I took the plastic protection off, and I noticed on the back here there's an off-on switch. Just a toggle switch like that. It's also got a jam release button, so if something gets stuck in there, that'll help you out that way. It's a nice slimline looking machine. It says your best mate toner foiling system, Crafty Critta, craftycritta.com. It's got 5 heat settings, a power button, and then this is the opening that you slip your project in. It says it's got 2 rollers, 6 heat settings. It has a 6.5-inch opening, heating time 1 to 2.5 minutes, LED indicator lights. I have, of course, if it's made in Australia, like your Crafty Critta, it usually has the Australian plug. They do have a few that have the plug for me here in Canada or the US, so they have a limited supply of those. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go have a bit of a play and familiarize myself with everything, and then I'll come back in another video later to show you what we're going to do. We'll do some foiling on camera too. Okay, thanks for watching. We'll see you soon. Bye.